Oh, pakilala na.
Badi!
My name is January Anna Fraina. I'm 26 years old from Cubao. Iwalang ang pag-ibig hindi hinahanap yan. Kusang kinakat.
Okay, wala na yung basket. Pag-ibig yun eh.
Ano?
Go ahead.
My name is Justin Christopher and Manalis, 24 years old. From Cubao branch.
Ikaw!
Ako nga pala, Justin Christopher and Manalis, 24 years old. Taga Cubao branch. At naniniwala sa kasabihan na when the price is right, everything's gonna be alright.